अभी हम मौजूद हैं दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल लावा नागपुर। एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया है, आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं, बने रहिए मेरे साथ। अंदर एंटर करने के साथ ही आपको अलग अलग कलाकृतियाँ देखने को मिलती हैं।
Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Kazakhstan and Oman. These international collaborations widened the horizons of the students, gave them an opportunity and responsible growth to the youth. When we instill
their teacher to please come on the stage and lead the prayer.
Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, hearts that cannot be broken. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together, bind us together in love. There is only one love. There is only one name. us together in love. Bind us together in love. Bind us together in
Thank you, sir, and the teachers for the prayer. Now we
and selected to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the evening. He is BSc of Police PCR Nagpur, holding degree of BSc, LLB, LCM, MDC, MBA, HR, PhD in criminal law and advanced degree in digital cyber forensics law. He has received more than 300 awards for his excellent and meritorious services. He has solved many serious cases of crime in real as well as cyber world. He also had caught a live tiger safely at Fort rewarded by Forest Force. And warmly welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Ashok Babu sir, to please give on stage an accent token of gratitude on behalf of entire SIP team. Big round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone. As the host today, I welcome everyone here for the SIP graduation ceremony. I'm going to talk a little about BTS Lava. We are a caring community of learners by brothers in each student's developing activities while promoting their social development. We build a sense of community each day in every classroom, touching all our students. This mirrors our
transforms dreams into achievements. It teaches us to stay focused, to push through challenges, and to develop consistency needed to thrive. Whether it is in academics, sports, or personal growth, discipline is what makes the
छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को बड़ी बनाते हुए देखा और कितनी आसानी से नहीं बनती। मुझे 6 सालों में सर ने हमें कहाँ से कहाँ लाया है, तो सोचिए सर कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचे।
20 multiplication and division sums, right? And behind this, we also have only multiplication, means tables up to 99 and 3-digit divided by single digit. I want to showcase one demonstration, लेकिन उसके पहले मैं
well and proud of you all.
respected Dr. Srimati Satyavama, a very capable, strict, no nonsense, but equally loving, caring, sympathetic, beloved and popular principal of this reputed educational institution called IPS. Ma'am, we are very happy and proud to watch all your achievements. Please give a big round of applause to respected Satyavama. My dear friend and CEO of C. Tatakas Civil Lines, Rampet and Power Grid, handsome boy, what I often call him lovingly, Mr. Srichan Balchandani sir. He is better half Dr. Srimati Sarita ma'am. Please give a big round of applause to this wonderful couple. All the proud parents. हेलो सर छोटा रहा और उसको मैंने कैच कर लिया तो उधर गुस्सा बढ़ता है, बड़ा मिसाइल आता है। मेरे क्रिकेट का मुझे ये भी फायदा होता है, तो श्री अबला होती है, इसके ऊपर मेरा तो विश्वास नहीं। सिंचन जी, मैं आपकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ और आपने कम से कम 34 हाउसवाइफ आर वर्किंग विद दिस कपल। गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू ऑल दीस वंडरफुल पीपल। और श्री को राजधानी होती है, श्री होती है दुर्गा, श्री होती है अंबिका माता, श्री होती है काली माता, श्री होती है झांसी की रानी और पता नहीं क्या। संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है, इधर कब आओगे, इधर कब आओगे, इधर कब आओगे, कि तुम मिलिए घर सोना सोना है। संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है, इधर कब आओगे, इधर कब आओगे, इधर कब आओगे।
अथर्व भिट्टे, अदिति डोगरे, हीर लालवानी, भाविका चौधरी, मयंक वैभव, हितांशा, अरे भाई स्माइल तो कीजिए। अथर्व भिट्टे, अदिति डोगरे, हीर लालवानी, भाविका चौधरी, मयंक वैभव, इतांशा फागुन, कल्पक तिरुपुरे, सौम्य टोपवानी, रुद्रांश, अथन, प्रियांश, आदित्य बंजारी, अभिषी मेश्राम।
with a bigger strength of only 33 students. And now he can boast, and we all can take the pride and happiness in the fact that not less than 1200 students have passed out from this reputed institution. Give a big round of applause. Out of this 1200, not less than 1000 students have passed all the difficulty levels of an abacus. Give a big round of applause to all these wonderful students. Prestigious Titans Club. You are awarded prestigious Titans Club status. Give a big round of applause. And what I know, there are not less than 900 centers across the nation, and Mr. Abacus and Dr. Sarita ma'am can take pride in the fact that they have worked so hard along with all the teaching, non-teaching staff, along with all the wonderful students and parents, that their center ranks third in entire nation. Give a big round of applause. My dear friends, और कर सकता है, प्रिंसिपल मैम की गलती नहीं है, उनको हमारे जैसे स्टूडेंट मिले होंगे जो 3 मिनट में ही वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बट वी आर unbelievable things. 3 मिनट में 100 sums, 103 sums, 98 sums. Give a big round of applause. भैया तालियां आप मेरे लिए नहीं।
Good evening to you. This is Latika Shami from Press Legend 24.online. I welcome all my viewers. I am here at the Delhi Public School at Lava, and you'll be happy and obliged that a wonderful program of graduation has been done at this school, and we have seen that parents had united, parents had given boost to the family members as well as children. They are very happy and they are enjoying that they had passed certain exams. So we are here with Honorable DYSP sir. You must be knowing Ashok Bagul sir. He doesn't need any of the things. Only need is he is postgraduate, he is MSc, BSc, LLB, and as well as he is a cyber expert. You know that he is heading crime at Nagpur. Ashok Bagul sir, we welcome you at Press Legend 24.online. How are you, sir?
I am okay. Thank you.
How you feeling after coming to Delhi Public School at Lava?
As we all know, DPS Lava is one of the most reputed institutions, and the credit goes to Principal Dr. Srimati Sakdev ma'am. We came to know about some of the unique achievements of DPS under her leadership. She is heading the entire institution since last 2017, and she has been instrumental in ensuring the overall growth of students, not only in academic merit but in sports and other extracurricular activities also. DPS can boast under her leadership to have produced one national football player, and it is the most reading school, top reading school of our nation. So the credit goes to her. And as we all know, Abacus SIP, my dear friend Mr. Srishan, he has arranged this program in order to ensure that the students who are graduating from the various levels of Abacus, they are felicitated at the hands of Honorable principal ma'am, and they have called me as well. So we are very happy to attend such programs because as we all know, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, ये सही है, बट हमारे जमाने में ये बोला जाता था कि खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब, लेकिन ये कहावत आज सही नहीं रही. अगर पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब ये सही है, तो खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे खराब नहीं, खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे लाजवाब. And Principal Sakdev ma'am, she is ensuring the overall growth of our students. So really happy to be part of today's function. Happy to meet such a wonderful person having so many unique leadership qualities.
Yes.
Thank you.
So you know that what Ashok Bagal sir had already stated that पढ़ोगे लिखोगे वो तो नवाब की बात तो थी ही, but you should be in extracurricular activities as well. We have Sachdeva ma'am, principal of Delhi Public School, and it is really appreciating that Press Legend is covering this for the benefit of humanity, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of students. So Sachdeva ma'am, we welcome you at our news channel Press Legend. How are you now?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you.
It's a surprise that we are here, but it is really thankful to Ashok Bagul sir that he has given us the opportunity to cover this program. Ma'am, who is a student in terms of you, as I have seen the very peak of yours over there when you are very young, and still you are very young. So when it comes to student life and when you become a principal of a college, how you felt after dealing with small to biggest, youngest to oldest, how you're feeling?
I enjoy being with students. I thrive on the energy, and children are always in the moment, right? They stay in the present moment, and that is something that I also try to imbibe every day in my life, being childlike. So there's a big difference between being childish and being childlike. So always being in present moment is something that I learn every day from the students of my school.
Yeah.
And I enjoy their company. I love children, and that is the reason I'm here in this profession.
Yes. Ma'am, we have seen a film of Rani Mukherjee also when she was a principal and she had given education to the slum dwellers. And I'm sure that Rani Mukherjee must be looking after me. So ma'am, when she had already picturized the slum people, have Delhi Public School ever thought of that if something happened when it comes to humanity grounds, will DPS will try to give knowledge or study or education to the slum dwellers?
We do. We are working with an NGO called Upay. Upay works with the street children. So our children have donated books to these children. We have given teacher training to the teachers who are teaching these street children. My students and my teachers have organized a sports day for these children who are on the streets, right? And another thing I would want to tell you is that we call these children here in our school during our Bagless week, where we give our children a sneak peek into vocational training. So these children were there with our children and were learning all these skills. So definitely DPS Lava is going to help these children, and we are already doing it.
So it was Mrs. Sachdeva, the principal of Delhi Public School, and she says that we have with the NGO working for the slum children also, for the slum dwellers also, and it once comes to education, you have a very nice principal who will look after you. Just come for anything if you need for your children, contact the principal accordingly with the terms and conditions of the school accordingly. So be with us, like a channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. With cameraman Vivek and with Ashok Bagul sir and Sachdeva ma'am, I'm Latika Shami for Press Legend 24.online. Thank you so much.
जानवी बोड़े, खुशी कोठारी, आस्था अग्रवाल, अन्वी भरतिया, सुहासी नागपुरे, जतिन गिडवानी, दक्ष श्रीवास्तव, दिया वीरानी, सब अच्छे बेटे हैं आज के सामने, अक्षिता अग्रवाल, पुनः एवं रामानी, अशमीरा खान, स्तूरी राव, कनिष्का भट्टे, परी असवानी, अंशिका वाधवानी, मन्यू जाधव, योगेश्वरी जाधव, नीलम मल्लेवाड़ीकर, कनक शेवाड़े, अक्षर ठाकुर एंड अजीत भूमकर. Well, and many congratulations. Yes, one group photograph. I request Karan to accompany for a group photograph. देखिए कितने सारे बच्चे के आगे में कंप्लीट किए हैं. एक ही पीछे से. मैं प्रॉब्लम. Next, please. और yes. Next. अक्षिता अग्रवाल, दिया निगम, कनिष्का वाधवन, जानकी भोले, मयंक दर्वी, वाह, अन्नी भक्तिया, सुहासिनी आत्मने, और मेरी अच्छी खुशी बढ़ानी. आस्था अग्रवाल.
Award from Hills, International Women's Day Award from Garden City College, Bangalore to just name a few. Can we have a huge round of applause?
कि मुझे अवार्ड मिल गया है इसलिए मुझे घर जाना चाहिए, ये मैं नहीं कहना चाहता. जितनी देर आप यहाँ पर रहेंगे हमारे बच्चों
ब्राइड लग रही है मेरी है वो
Student-led classrooms are endeavors to sharpen their communication, collaboration, problem-solving skills. The bagless like embroidery, baking, fashion design, mehendi art, cafe courses. Building relationships lies at the
I'm humbled and also at the same time feeling very proud for standing in front of you all on this wonderful platform called DPS Lava School, a school which is trained
आप सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल प्रेस लेजेंड 24, आपको मिल जाएगी प्रेस लेजेंड 24 यूट्यूब पे। यूट्यूब है इसमें, हाँ कर लीजिए। तो फिर मैं जनरली फ़ोन उठाऊँ ना उठाऊँ, लेकिन आपको न्यूज़ मिल जाएगी। यस,
फिर मुश्किल किया आसान किया, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया। ये हमारे बच्चों ने सोचना चाहिए और यही बात हमारे पेरेंट्स ने भी सोचना चाहिए। Because I know the parents and teachers are doing the most sacred job. That is, the kids or the students who are entering the education institutions, the schools and colleges, classes like SLP Abacus, in the form of a raw product. These people are working hard, they are fine tuning, they are training and pruning all the students so that whenever they pass out, they shall be sold like a hot cake. A finished product which can withstand the cutthroat competition of the outside world. Yes or no? Give a big round of applause to all the teachers. ताली बजाइए। तालियां वो नहीं बजाते जिन्हें कुछ गम होता है। तालियां वो नहीं बजाते जिन्हें कुछ गम होता है। अरे तालियां तो वो बजाते हैं जिनके बाजुओं में दम होता है, जिनके बाजुओं में दम होता है। और उठाओ। जब ये प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया, हम अपने घर जाएंगे। आप में से सब लोग खुश होंगे जिनके बच्चों ने ग्रेजुएशन किया है, जिनके बच्चों ने बहुत बढ़िया अचीवमेंट्स की है। श्रीचंद सर एंड सरिता मैम shall always, along with all their teaching non-teaching staff, and he is a person who believes in women empowerment. Actually, मैं नहीं मानता कि श्री अबला होती है। सर क्या नाम है आपका? सैयद जी। मैडम अबला है? अबला है? मैं मेरे जवानी में मैं क्रिकेट रणजी ट्रॉफी खेला हूँ, आज भी खेलता हूँ। और मैम को बताना चाहता हूँ बड़ा प्राउडफुली कि 2 साल पहले यहाँ पे क्रेडाई का क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट हुआ था। वो टूर्नामेंट मेरी टीम ने जीता था। I am 58 now. I am 58, but I am still playing. I am still studying. And मैं ये बात आपके लिए, आपको इसके लिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि I am a student forever. तो श्री अबला होती है, इसके ऊपर मेरा विश्वास नहीं है। पुरुष पुरुष होता है, बट स्त्री क्या होती है? अगर चुन गई सर झगड़ा होता है कभी?